welcome back to my channel. I'm here this week with another DIY of how to create your own clothes. This week I'm going to show you how you can do your own top, like your own t-shirt. From normal t-shirt you will design a new one. It's really easy. I'm going to show you the step by step right now. I hope you like it, and if you do, you will give me a huge thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for passing by. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos that are coming, and I will see you later. We are gonna take our pattern paper and we are gonna take any shirt, any blouse that we want to copy. So we are gonna take exactly the same measurements. We will always make the patterns a little bit bigger, but in this case, for beginners, you will draw exactly the same way how this shirt looks like. In this case, for me, I don't really care about the long of the blouse because I'm putting the skirt that I showed you last week on top, and I'm pregnant, and by being pregnant I will have to do so many modifications. I won't be able to do this way 100% if I want to cover all my belly. I will have to do a really long shirt, but it's not what I'm looking for here. So if you are looking for a top that you want to show it completely, you need to follow the full length of your shirt. And as well, to save time and to save paper and everything, I'm doing a pattern which is gonna be front and back. Normally you have to do two different patterns, but as you can see, I'm doing many marks, many lines to show to myself where will it be the long, where will it be the front, the back, the opening in the front, everything. I'm measuring now the long to make sure I'm cutting the same long all over. Yeah, the blouse was much longer than this. I could say like more than 10 centimeters longer than this one. But I don't want it that much because also being pregnant, you feel a little bit uncomfortable, and if I did it that long, I will not feel really comfortable for the full party. So I prefer to do it short and have room enough. Okay. Make sure you follow the line that you did, because now when we put it in the fabric, we are gonna adjust a little bit the centimeters. We are gonna add a little bit bigger centimeters. That's what you always have to do, because once you start sewing and once you start stitching one part with another and closing the fabric, you will lose centimeters. So you can't 100% take the same measurement you take from your shirt, because the shirt you are taking the measurements from, it's already done. So that's why you need to add that. Make sure, like always, you double the fabric, because remember what we are doing, our pattern is just half of what we want. So you always have to make it double. Where is the double bit, there is where you're gonna put the pattern, and where is the open side, it will be the back of the pattern. You have to always imagine when you cut it, how is it gonna look when you open. It's like a folded book. Use as many clips as you need. And as well, in this case, I'm using a pencil, fabric pencil, to draw the lines, to make some marks. As you can see, I made it a little bit bigger, more centimeters, as I always say, for the sewing. You know it's gonna be smaller than what you expect. That's the thing, you have to think about it. Because think when you properly stitch it and close it down, you're always losing between 1 to 1.5 centimeter. So that will be one part is done, and then now I'm gonna do the front. So again, I put the pattern back again, and now I will have to do the marks that will show me where will it be the open part of the front. As you can see, it's that kind of circle, oval area. It's on the pattern. You see, I made 2 lines. So now it's gonna be as easy as just take off the pattern and follow the lines. So that will be done. Here we have our front, here we have our back. This is the sleeves, and I'm gonna show you that next week, don't worry. Now we're gonna fold one part to another. I'm gonna show you 2 options of how to close your shirt top, and I'm gonna show you the easy one, and I'm gonna show you like the difficult one. first things first, for beginners, and I think even for professionals, it's better you use some clips to show you where it's gonna be the stitches going. You will put together one part to another, like the underarm together, to make sure where the line will be. Also, you will see one of the parts of the shirt is always gonna be bigger than another, because that's what is gonna give you the room to be the front and the back. As you can see, also my back is a little bit longer than my front. That also sometimes happens on the shirts. They cannot be 100% same, yeah. My intention here is to do the both sides and the bottom together. So this is the quickest if you know what you're doing, because it's the quickest, but at the same time it's the hardest, because you can't see what's going on under the fabric that is under you. And as you can see, when you start to remove the needles, you will see fabric is all moving, so I have to stop many times, place it back, make sure it looks good. I mean, I've done this just for the purpose of the video, to show you it's not that easy to do it with the machine. You have to be really careful, and sometimes it's better you spend a few more minutes and the result will be better, and you're gonna be 100% sure it's gonna look good. So yeah, my blouse has two different parts, but anyway, it's fine. It's just for the purpose of these videos to show you guys. So as you can see, I come until the end, and then I was done with one side of the blouse. And then here comes part 2, which, as I say, is the longest, but is the part that, and the option that I will always do, which is one by one. You will do a straight line. We are not closing yet, okay? We are just closing one side of the fabric. We are not closing the blouse. So as you can see, you're making just a straight line. You're just making it look all nice, professional, tidy. To do the corners, I always like to help myself with a clip. I don't know, some people will say that's a silly thing to do, but I really like to make sure the corner is perfectly done. And we keep going. Now I'm starting with the bottom of the blouse. It's really fast to do this, because you don't have to worry about nothing else more than what is in front of you. Just follow the line that you already draw with the needles. As you can see, it looks really, really good. Especially when you have good fabric, and it's amazing. This fabric is really good and easy. The fabric I'm using for Milu's custom is just a nightmare. It's taking me ages to do it, but it's worth it, guys. I hope when you see the result you love it as much as I do. And then here I'm using again the close overlock stitch. So now that both of the sides are really, really nice, I don't have to worry about the bottom anymore. I just have to make sure the top and the bottom are together, and that's it. I just need to keep going in a straight line, because I already closed it down before. And then I'm doing this modification. You don't have to do this if you don't want, but I have to say I really love the result. So to give more room to myself and to make me feel more comfortable, I decided to open a little bit the back. You can put some zip if you want here, you can put some bottoms. I'm just gonna leave it how you see it. You will see now in the result. And at the same time, I'm starting to create the sleeves and the shoulder area, and I'm starting to as well do the front. So always using needles. You can see needles with the hand running around. So this is the result. I've done everything. I went all the way through. I didn't close the shoulders yet, but because, as I said, they have to go together with the sleeves that I'm going to show you next week. You can see how look and easy the result looks. It's amazing, guys. Hope you like it. So that's everything. I really hope you like it, and if you did, you will give me a huge thumbs up. You will subscribe to don't miss all the content. Is coming really, really soon, and I will see you on the next one. Mwah.